Hi, environmental science students. We're looking at a problem where we need to compare the productivity of two biomes. We have a graph, and the first question asks, which terrestrial biome is more productive, temperate grassland or tropical seasonal forest? The tropical seasonal forest, far on the right, is definitely more productive. You can see that the bar goes higher up on the y-axis, which shows productivity in grams of carbon per square meter per year. This is basically saying how much vegetation is growing. And if you imagine a forest versus a grassland, the forest would have a lot more biomass, more vegetation, those tall trees versus low grasses. So you can kind of think about it that way too, but we're going to actually quantify it. We're going to put some numbers to it. The question asks a step further. How many more times productive is the biome you chose compared to the other biome? So we're going to need to do a calculation. When you hover the bar over your screen here, it should show up for you the name of the biome and then the amount of productivity, like we just said, in grams of carbon per square meter per year. So we will put that higher number. We have so tropical seasonal forest, 1490. Temperate grassland, 550. For this question of how many times more, we'll put the larger value on the top of the fraction or the numerator, and then the smaller number on the denominator. So let's put those in and check and make sure that we got it right. And then we can go on to make sure that we calculate, or to do the next part of the calculation, we'll put it into Desmos. So if you wanted to use your fraction tool, that's the way to do it, or you can also just put the division sign between the first number and the second number. So 1490 divided by 550, 2.7. So this is 2.7 times more productive. And check our answers. And it'll give us to 3 significant figures, but if you round it sooner than that, it's okay too. So that's how we'll find out those how many times more productive questions to be able to quantify how many more times productive one biome is compared to another.